A new office this week, but still the same analysis. Let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar from a technical perspective. Let's get going. Looking at the hourly chart of the pound versus US dollar, the price moved lower in trading on Friday below this swing area. We also stayed below this swing area up through here. The low of that swing area, I should say. That swing area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back to this period right here. We came up to that level, that area, I guess, in trading last week and found willing sellers not once but twice on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then on or Wednesday and Thursday, and then on Friday we came up to the low of that, found early sellers against that level and rotated to the downside. And trading here today, we are seeing the continuation to the downside, and that has taken the price below the 100-hour moving average. That's the blue line in this chart. Also below the 61.8% retracement of the move down from, I have to go back all the way to this point right here, which is the July 1 high to the low price that we saw. I think this is August 1, yes, August 1, and the 61.8 100-hour moving average coming near that level. So it fell below both of those levels, but as you can see, the price momentum has sort of died down around that level, and the market's kind of unsure which way it wants to go. At this technical level, ultimately, we're going to decide whether we move higher, in which case if we get above this swing area up here near the 1.3561, and then above the swing area up here at 1.3576 to 1.3592, that would open the door for further upside momentum on the breaks of those levels. Conversely, if we cannot get above this 161.8% retracement with any momentum, then ultimately the bias is going to be back down toward the rising 200-hour moving average. That's the green line in this chart. Level comes in at 1.3477 currently, and again, it's moving to the upside, so it would eventually catch up with the price on the momentum to the upside. We'll see how that works, but right now we have this ups and downs right here around the two key moving averages as the market tries to figure out which way to go earlier in the early part of this week. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.